Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be recreating these beautiful neon flame nails, and the original artist is Shui Cortez, so you guys go follow her. She has beautiful designs. So starting out, I will be mixing my Burano polygel with neon pigment. Today I will be using nail tips, and I'm just applying them with base coat gel by Burano, and I do have my nail lamp just flipped over on the side. It's much easier to get them on this way. Now I'm taking my hand file and I'm just going to shape the nails up a little. And next you guys will see me just buff the nail lightly with my e-file, and I'm just removing the shine basically. After filing, I just clean the nail up with alcohol. And next you guys will see me applying base coat gel all over the nail, but you can just apply it to the natural nail. It doesn't have to go on the tip. Okay, so for today's slip, I will be using the Burano slip solution. So whenever you're doing an ombre design, you want to start at the tip. And I'm just mainly focusing on the sides. So I'm going to tap the sides in, and you guys will see me smooth the middle part down. So I'm still quite new at polygel, let alone nails. So these are just a few techniques and tips that I picked up over the last few months. But in some of my other videos, you guys will probably see me do this totally different because I did just learn something new last night. I'm not going to spoil it. You guys will see it in a later video. So as you guys can see, I'm applying a really thin layer. I do not like thick, bulky nails. So yeah, that's why I tried it, you guys, like watching some of the other polygel videos, people apply so much, and it's like, how? Like, I couldn't do it that way. That intimidated me, and my nail was coming out chunky and lumpy. So I just went and started applying like this little thin layer, and it works for me. I absolutely love the way it blended. So getting down to the bottom where you want it to fade out, I do let the polygel dry up some and get a little bit stiff because it's easier to fade it out that way. It's a little bit difficult when it's sliding everywhere when your brush is wet. So it's just easier if you let it dry out some, and then you'll get that perfect fade that way. Moving along to the cuticle bead, I'm just going to push this back, and I will be working on the cuticle and side walls first. It's just easier that way, you guys. So as you guys can see, I will be pushing that product back, and I'm taking my time with it because I do not want to flood my cuticle. So now I'm just tapping and blending that product up, and once again you want to let it kind of dry out some because it's easier to blend that way. At least to me it is. I found it easier to blend this way, so. And whenever you let it dry down, it will get a little bit tacky, so I'm just moving my brush really fast to get that perfect blend. After that's cured, I will be taking my clear polygel and capping it. And you guys, I'm just starting with the cuticle once again and taking my time so I don't flood it. So right here is where I attempted to build an apex, but I think it's an apex there. It's just not in the right spot because I think it should be back a little further. I don't know, I'm not sure. But anyway, the curve of the nail threw me off a little, so I think I just ended up blending it away anyway. So yeah. This is what I ended up with. I always check it from the side to make sure everything's smooth and not lumpy. So I'm good to go with this, and I'm just going to cure it. Next, I'm going to file the nail down some. I'm just going to be shaping it up and removing some of that bulkiness. I still have to get a hold of the e-file. And you guys, I'm holding it like this because this is actually how I hold my writing utensils. So yeah, I know it looks weird, but it's comfortable for me. After filing, I'm applying a layer of top coat, and I'm scrubbing it in. I'm just not swiping it over the nail. It looks a lot better, and it also filled up those little gaps where you were filing. So yeah. Next, I will be going in with my flame decals, and I think it was best to use the base coat gel because of that tacky layer. But anywho, I did struggle getting these flames on. Ooh, they were tough. I think it was because of my little cheap little tweezers, but whatever. I'm just going in with some more top coat, and this is the finished look, you guys. Let me know how you like them. I'm obsessed with them in a natural light. I feel like I did pretty good for the first time, you guys. Let me comment down below and let me know what you think. So yes, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.